In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the command prompt in Windows in order to render your Nuke script without having the need to open Nuke. So I created this scene with two simple read nodes, the one with a JPEG and the other one with a checkerboard. And now I'm going to try to render those from outside Nuke. So I'm going to create a read node. And I'm going to rename it write A. And I'm going to create another write node, which I'm going to call write B. So I'm going to connect both to the read one and the checkerboard. And I'm going to select an output. So I'm going to save this in the desktop, folder that I already created. And I'm going to put a name. Now, remember to put this to make a sequence. I'm going to create a JPEG. So I'm going to create those hashtag signs. So if you want to render a sequence, you have to put in a name and also those hashtag signs and then the format. Otherwise, you won't be able to make a sequence. And also going to create the limit to range so that I won't have the need to update that from outside Nuke. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to the CMDS or command prompt in Windows, and I'm going to cd to the Nuke installation folder. So I already copied that. Didn't work. Let's try this again. So I'm going to click CD to go to the folder and then paste the location of Nuke. Okay. Now I'm going to type the Nuke executable file. Now that we are in this folder, just to check. So it's nuke 12.0.exe. I'm gonna put then I'm gonna put x, which is for rendering. It's a command, and I'm gonna put the URL to this test.nk. If I put enter, you're gonna see that it's going to render all the frames. Now, if we check in the render folders, you're gonna see we have both sequences up to the 8 and the frame 13, which is the one that we put in the frame range in the read nodes. So if I want to make just individually render the write nodes individually, I'm gonna have to do the same, but this time instead of putting X, I'm gonna put an capitalized X, an uppercase X, and I'm gonna write the name of the write node, which is write A, and then the location of the script, of the Nuke script. Now, if I erase all this again, and I hit enter, you're gonna see that it's going to render again, but this time it will skip the write B, which is the checkerboard, and only render the shoes image. So just double check. There you go. Shoes image up until frame 13, which is our frame range from 1 to 13. Cool. I'm going to erase that again. What if we want to write one read node and another write node from the same file or another file? So we're going to put this double ampersand node. I think this sign is the ampersand. Oops, sorry, I'm gonna have to redo this again. Just gonna click up arrow so you can go to the last command. I'm gonna put those double ampersand and create the command again with the uppercase X, but this time I'm gonna put write B instead of write A. And this double sign, double ampersand, what it's saying is that execute this command, the command after the double ampersand, right after the first command. So if the first command is successful, then execute the second command. So this is useful because now you can render two write nodes from different Nuke files, or even the same one as I'm doing now. And now you won't need to write many commands and just keep it into one single line. So if we double check that, you can see that we have the checkerboard and the shoes. So thanks a lot.